thinking it's kind of kind of things and sales job. So who's thinking? Please hands up. Sales force. So I think you don't know when I first came in this technology, I thought, yeah, I am a software developer and where am I going? In a sales job. So when I went to company and they took my interview, it was regarding a technology things, but I was nervous. What is this? I worked hard a lot, so my career is going to change, like sales kind of job, yeah. But it is totally software development kind of things. So we will see. Go ahead, please change. Clear. Yeah. So what is Salesforce? You know, there are many CRM in the market, but Salesforce is one of among them. Salesforce CRM provide a complete solution for that, includes feature-rich solution for marketing, sales, service, partner management, and community management. So it is written in technical knowledge. When I went to, I read this, I was not able to understand what the mean. Let me explain you in my word. So Salesforce is like a CRM. What is CRM? Customer Management System. You know, in service center, if you buy any phone or if you get any defect and any issue, you call customer care, and customer care help you. They manage. They first create a ticket, and they time to time they take a feedback from you. Yeah, your problem got solved or not. So Salesforce here can help a lot. You don't need to see this thing. You just need to focus my word. Okay. So Salesforce here help a lot. You can manage your customer efficiently and you will progress more in your field. So Salesforce provide a CRM where they make your job very easy and you can manage million and billion customer in a single platform. Listen. History and founder. Salesforce is the world's first and most popular CRM system. I just told you. The headquarters of Salesforce is situated in San Francisco. Yeah, it is located in USA, United States of America. You know, more than 22,000 company and many customers use this dynamic web and low cost CRM. So many company here come many company. Means everyone is a client of Salesforce. Even Google, Microsoft, whatever names you know. Everyone is a client of Salesforce. Let's see. Salesforce.com has various translate into 16 different language and country has, you know, in Japanese, in China, they have your own language. So this technology provides you, if you want to run your software in your language, so you can easily run. So there's a feature in Salesforce, you can deal in your language. So it's a very good feature of Salesforce. Please move. Yeah. He is the owner of Salesforce, Mark Benioff. He used to work in Oracle. Oracle is a product of Java. You know, Oracle is very most popular company. So he used to work in Oracle. So that time, first let me explain. Net worth 4.2 billion 2015. Yeah, he earned that much amount, 4.2 billion. So first Oracle thought, hey, that time there was no CRM. Oracle thought we will develop a software where we don't need to any system, anything. You just have to store data in there, computer and user needs security and storage. There are many problems if you use your standalone application. So that time Oracle was thinking about creating this thing, but they denied because of they thought no one will share personal information on cloud. Your personal password, your personal thing, it may be anything. They are big company in the world, they will never share personal thing. But Oracle denied, but this person was very clever. So he implemented this technology. First, he hired simple salesperson. They didn't know much about technology things. So he started his company about 4, 5, 10 people, and he made this thought true in real world. And now it is the number one CRM in the world. Please. It is a building of Salesforce in USA, and it is the office of Salesforce. Here is a person. Here is a beautiful girl. Let me see my own. Really beautiful. So it's a Salesforce. If you work good, so you will get a chance to work in USA, and you will also get a chance to work with foreigner client. It may be foreigners. Oh, you want. Please. It is the tallest building in which this is located. You can see there are many buildings, but they are nothing in front of this building. So it's a Salesforce building. So it is the tallest, most recent landmark addition to San Francisco skyline, and tallest office building on the West Coast, located adjacent to Salesforce Transit Center. It is the tallest, you can see. So, Salesforce is not if you are thinking it's a very small thing, you can't imagine how much big they are. But you can imagine by looking this building. So, please change. Now I am visible. Tallest office building on the West Coast. I just told you. Please change. What is customer relationship management system? A strategy for managing an organization relationship and what? It's a technical thing. If you always learn technical, you will be confused. So record customer contact information. Let's say there is a system. We just store the customer contact information, email kind of things, and organization detail, and improve customer relationship management. If you are using Salesforce, your relationship with customer will improve, and customer will feel much happy with you, because this is the technology. But if I tell you, you will be confused. So please move. Salesforce Cloud. So Salesforce provide, there are many kind of cloud, Sales Cloud. If you have any product you want to sell, you want to manage your selling things, so you can use Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. If you are providing any kind of service like customer care things, so you can use Service and Marketing Cloud, Community Apps. There are many more. So it depends on the business in which they are dealing. So it's a Salesforce platform things. There are different cloud and its middleware, and they just store data in a single. There is single storage system in Salesforce, but it is the same kind of things if we are living in a building. But there are many tenant. Tenant means kirayadar, like many tenant. but they are using same building, but they have a separate things. Means one person can't see other person things, and one person can't use other resource. You are using same software, same things, but their security is much far better than other technology. So it also help to save your money, million and billion, yeah, this kind of things. So Salesforce best thing is Salesforce say you don't, if you are using us, you don't need to worry about storage things. If you, and you even don't need to worry about security things. Your data is secure. We are guaranteeing you. No one steal your data in the world. So that's why Salesforce is number one. Please. Salesforce terminology. Let me tell you: opportunity, lead, account, contact, task, review. What is opportunity? Let's say any company is selling this phone. Yeah, so if they arrange any kind of session where they are showing their product, if any customer comes and he is interested, he just say, yeah, we are interested. So there is a lead. You will store customer information in the lead. So it will be called as a lead, but it is not become an account. When it become an account, when you will provide your information, you want to buy any product, you are interested just and next day you provide your hello. You provide your yeah, my God. You provide your Aadhaar card details and any kind of details. So we store customer details, we store in a lead object. It's a lead object, and your Aadhaar card and any kind of things we store in an account. And let's say you are a big business. There are many employees work like 50 and 100. So business will be an account, and their employee will be a contact. Means one account, many contacts may be related to only a single account. And task and emails like report things, if you are service center in many area location, you can analyze the performance by reports and dashboards. Please move. It is not showing here clear, but it looks like this way. This is a lead name. Mrs. Rosa Edling. You know, it's a lead. She is interested in any product. So we just store her name, like her name and information. But she has not given any address detail and any document proof. So she is still a lead. And there is a lead status working. So means it is a behind of software. You know, we work on this like, so please move. So this is all about Salesforce, but you might be thinking, if you go to any institute, anywhere, no one will you teach this technology? But it is the good thing.